world. Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel, and Tool Girl Hana is back in the workshop. Jeez, can't keep my hands off her. Seriously, terrible. Okay, quick video. If you remember a few weeks ago, and it was a few weeks, and we are terrible at getting these videos out, I'm sorry. Our friend Eric O, down at the South Main Auto channel just outside New York, or New York, as they pronounce it, I think, over there, sent down not just some wire strippers, wire strippers, be really careful about that, because I'm sure his wife watches this, wire strippers for Tool Girl Hana. He also sent us down some of his very, very cool stickers, SMA stickers, so you need those.
Thanks, Andy.
And I've been meaning to, for the last 2.5 years, as many other YouTube channels do, and Eric himself does this, where the channels share channel stickers. Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah.
But I haven't actually got a sticker wall, and I kept moving things around and it never happened. So what we're going to do is get Tool Girl Hana, because, well, there's a specific link between Eric. I'm sure Eric would like to see Hana put his sticker on the toolbox. I'm sure that there's some kind of thing behind that. I know there would be for me as a mechanic. Okay, so Hana, we're going to just move the camera and get set up so you can find somewhere to put Eric's sticker. Here we go. Very nice. Okay, Hana, if you want to find somewhere on the Teng Tools toolbox, and we'll get that popped on.
Here.
Oh, wicked. Fits in pretty well, doesn't it? Look at that.
Beautiful.
Great job. And have you got Eric's little sticker?
I do.
Eric driving his car with his cap on?
Yes.
Nice.
Let's see. Now I've got to get it.
Has it got a really weird backing on it, has it?
There's just no little...
Tell you what, pass it here, look. And if you want to come towards the camera a little bit, you can place the camera while I get this done.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, because I know you enjoy doing that.
I do. I love it.
You're the one with the nails. You're the one that should be. Oh, there we are. Look, there you go.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. There you go. Easy. Right. Oh, look at that. Fits in real well with the Teng logo. There you go, Eric. First one on the toolbox.
Nice.
Excellent job. My toolbox is now furnished with an SMA sticker just above Hana's shoulder. There we are, look. Perfect. Now, there's also the cupboard of fame that we need to put these stickers on as well, because my toolbox moves around an awful lot and it's not really very big for lots of stickers. So as things build up, I want a decent area so I can get lots of channel stickers on there. So Hana, we're going to head over to the sort of tan coloured cupboard with a big Teng Tools sticker on.
Yeah.
And we're going to find a home for 2 more of Erica's SMA stickers.
Nice.
You all set?
I am.
Fantastic. Right. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay, Hana, what have you got again?
I've got some SMA stickers from Erico, and I'm going to place them.
I'm very jealous about Erica.
Oh.
Yeah, there's something going on between you guys, I reckon.
Oh, do you think?
Yeah. Okay, find a place on the board for me.
Yeah. There.
Yeah, that's going to shot real well on the videos, I reckon, up there.
Oh, there's a
That's
bit
cool.
of bubbling.
Oh, you're a professional. Look at that. Bloody good. Eric will be telling you off otherwise.
And
where are you going to put his car?
Oh, that's just stuck there. So let's
That's alright, is that? That's cool. That actually looks really good.
just went plonk.
Yeah,
so
that's where it wants to go.
there you go.
Great stuff. Well, crew, I do know that lots of other YouTube creators watch my channel, as I do them. I watch Eric O, Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics, Ivan, there's the Steve Robb Show. There's loads of different automotive channels and other channels that I watch on YouTube, and I find them extremely entertaining. And I'm really, really grateful that people take this time to make these videos, because it does take a bit of time, and you know, can't be at the pub when making videos. I'm sacrificing pub time for this for you guys. Yeah, this is Saturday. I could be in the pub all day in Auckland
having a great time. But you're here with me.
I am actually
having a great time.
It isn't just for you guys, honestly. So if you're a creator and you've got channel stickers and you want me to put them up on the wall, feel free to post them through. I'll put the PO box address down in the comments, but it's PO Box 6265, Wellesley Street, Auckland, and the postcode is 1141. And of course, we're here in sunny New Zealand. Yeah, send them through, and maybe I'll send you some of my stickers back in return if I get around to it. I do have some stickers. There's only a few left at the moment, but maybe I'll get some more printed up.
Oh, I should get some of me made.
Yes, Tool Girl Hana stickers. I'm sure that they go. Geez, you need your own channel, you do, girl. Honestly, you just, I feel almost superfluous to this whole thing now. Yeah, because everybody is looking right there at the moment, and you're not looking at me.
I don't know about that, Andy. It's all right.
Yeah, okay. All right, I'll get over it. Okay, crew, well, I think we need to do a sign-off. Jeez. Okay.
Okay.
If you enjoyed the channel, why not click on subscribe? You'll see a little gear icon turn up, and then you can tick the box and turn on notifications. And our friends down at YouTube will send you an email as and when I upload any new videos. And there's usually 3 or 4 every single week.
Wow.
Pretty full on at the moment.
Andy.
Yeah, we're up to about 450 videos now, so
Oh, wow.
it's pretty cool. And I think your videos are well into the 20s now.
Oh, really?
There's actually loads of Tool Girl Hana videos on the channel. I think
Crikey.
Sam's maybe got 2 more than you have at the moment.
Okay.
So you're that
Wow.
close to being, number 1. Yeah, it's good fun. Okay, you'll also find me on
Google, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
I'm going to have to move the icons around again, aren't I? So, okay.
Facebook,
Facebook,
Instagram, Google, and Twitter.
Perfect. That's more
Go.
like it.
Woo.
You've been away too long.
I have.
I think we should have you here every Saturday. Yes. Then that way you might learn your lines.
Yes.
Don't worry, crew. I'll reprimand Hannah off camera.
Oh dear.
Unless, of course, you pay me enough, and I'll do it on camera.
Oh.
Yes, great fun. Oh, there's also I almost forgot, there's also a Patreon channel, page thing. You can drop onto there, read a bit about the history of the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel, why it came around, because it wasn't really planned, it just sort of happened and evolved, and where the channel's going to be heading.
Yeah.
You know, I've got a few projects lined up, how I'm thinking about the Tool Girls on the channel, because when I first started that off, it was a little bit contentious. I got a lot of bad comments, but now I think, especially with the shirt, I think the shirts have helped an awful lot. You know, there's a little bit less skin, a bit more to the mind as opposed to straight in your face. No disrespect to Tool Girl Harley, because she did some great videos, but it really was a little bit out of place in the workshop.
Okay.
I thought, anyway. You know, good fun, but
Yeah.
yeah, you know. Okay, crew. Well, that's about it from me.
And me.
Excellent, crew. We'll see you around. Cheers.
Bye.
Over and out. Man. Hey, Tool Girl Sam. How are you?
Back.
You're back. Fantastic.
So long.
I know, and I've got a new shirt, so I thought it's only right that I give you a new shirt too. So there you go.
So excited for my new shirt, and I don't have to wear different shirts every day. And as a classic Tool Girl Sam move, I am going to wear it like this. Wow, would you look at that? I'd say that is a great present for your girlfriend if she's into tools. If she's not, she's probably into tools because you're a tool. See what I did there? Tool Girl shirt, perfect.